cordless metal nibbler, basically a metal cutter. This runs with a DeWALT 20-volt battery. Slides in there. It's got 3 different speeds right there, so that's how you control the speeds. It's got a nice button there. It's got a bagger, so this holds the punch outs. It also comes, with the box, obviously. It comes with a tool, so you can replace this punch if it breaks. It comes with a, little side holder as well, where you can screw this in. A lot of drills and all kinds of things come with this kind of stuff. It comes with an extra punch, which is really nice, and an Allen key. So if you do break the punch or need to replace it, they give you an extra punch and all the tools. So we'll I want to show you. I did kind of cut here, and I made some other cuts with this. It's very maneuverable. So you can really you can go in and, so I'll show you. I'll go in this way and I'll come out over here. So it works great. I don't see any issues with it. It does work with the battery, like I said, the name brand battery. It's about 4 pounds. I'd say the weight is what it is. It doesn't feel too heavy or too light. Again, we'll go one more time. All right. And there you go. This is the box it comes with. It comes with some instructions. It shows you how to replace the punch if it breaks. And that is the Metal Nibbler.